Anna and her family. Anna is 8 years old. Anna has a big family. She lives with her mom and dad. She has one brother and one sister. Her brother's name is Tom. Her sister's name is Lucy. Anna loves her family very much. Every morning, Anna eats cereal for breakfast. Tom drinks milk. Lucy eats toast with jam. After breakfast, Anna brushes her teeth. She puts on her yellow dress. She takes her school bag. Anna walks to school with Tom. Lucy goes to a different school. At school, Anna learns English. She counts numbers from 1 to 10. Anna sings a song with her friends. She goes home at 3 o'clock. Now some questions about this story. How old is Anna? Anna is 8 years old. Does Anna have a big family or a small family? Anna has a big family. Who does Anna live with? Anna lives with her mom and dad. How many brothers and sisters does Anna have? Anna has one brother and one sister. What is Anna's brother's name? Anna's brother's name is Tom. What does Anna eat for breakfast every morning? Anna eats cereal for breakfast. What color is Anna's dress? Anna's dress is yellow. What time does Anna go home? Anna goes home at 3 o'clock.